I'm just back from Trader Joe's with another vegan grocery haul. There's lots of new fall produce and products on the shelves, so I'm going to share with you what I got, some of the things that I'm going to be making. I might do some taste testing along the way. So they have the mini pumpkins, they have gourds, all of that good fall stuff. So I've got those. They're like fun to have on your desk. I did buy an eggplant in the last haul, and I bought another one because they still look good. They were $1.98. I ended up baking them, and the way they came out, they almost were like you could use it as a wrap. I put a little bit of the coconut aminos on top, and I just kind of brushed that along the top of it to bake them, and they came out so good. In fact, I have them here, and I love to use them as just a wrap. Like you could literally put whatever, like a little salad, or put some hummus in there, roll it up. I did some baked tofu, and I put that in there along with like some beans and some salad and a dressing. And if you're trying to cut back on like carbs or what have you, you can do something like this, and it comes out really nicely. I bought the pico de gallo again, the one that I referenced in the last haul that I did. It was so good. This isn't new that's in. They have butternut squashes throughout the year, but I have a bunch of things that I'm going to make that are sort of fall themed, I guess, with the butternut squash. Yeah, so I have a high protein butternut squash soup that I'm going to make. And so that will be coming out soon as well. They had the acorn squashes, and doing just like little drizzle of maple syrup and some cinnamon, and like could have that as a dessert. Oh my gosh, I just thought if I could do the Ninja Creamy vanilla ice cream and have it with that. Everything's priced by the item at Trader Joe's. They can have like various sizes of vegetable or fruit, and they're all the same price. So they had some that were smaller, and then they have some that are really big. And so I always try and get the really big ones because you get so much more for your money, and because it's by the item, not by the weight. The butternut squash is $1.99. The acorn squash, so this whole thing was $1.49. Delicata squash was $1.49 each. So this is the delicata squash. And they had this one was one of the bigger ones. They're so good. They have such a great flavor. And the delicata squashes, you can eat the whole thing, and it's so delicious. I like to roast them and make a warm pasta salad. The last time I was at Trader Joe's, the lemons did not look good, but they did this time. They were nice and soft and juicy, and decided I would pick up some of those to make that lemon drink that I make, and maybe also make it as ice cream in the Ninja Creamy the way I've been doing. But it's so refreshing. These are organic, so it's important to buy the organic lemons when you're going to use the rind, because that will help minimize the like pesticides or what have you that could come on it. But it's also important still to wash them, because even though they're organic, they can still have pesticides and residue on there that you don't want. I know I said I'm going to start cooking beans from scratch, and our friend and Meryl out there, I see you. You made a nice comment in the comment section about how you've been making beans in the Instant Pot. So you're inspiring me. I'm definitely going to start doing that again. And yeah, it was very encouraging. So I appreciate your tips. In the interim, I bought some more canned beans. Maybe Not So Lazy Sharon will be showing up in the next grocery haul. I bought this bag because every time I do a grocery haul, I've got these like random bags from different stores and everything. And I usually do Trader Joe's hauls, but even if they are other hauls, these are so pretty. Like they're so nice. They're big and everything. They've got a nice depth, and I need to level up my grocery hauls with some nicer grocery bags. And these were $4.49. I got Miyazaki sweet potatoes. They are cream color on the inside and purple on the outside, and they are so good in ice cream. The sweetness from the sweet potato and the fiber and gives it that nice creaminess. And I have a recipe for a vanilla cream ice cream using the Japanese sweet potato. If you want to check out that video, I'll link to it. And these are so delicious to just have on their own. Just bake them up and enjoy them, or cut them up into quarters or halves and roast them that way. I got some corn tortillas because I want to start making chili. I like to make my own corn tortillas, just cutting them in quarters and or eighths and roasting them, and they come out really good. I did also get some pita bread because I'll be making hummus. It's nice to have a pita pocket to stuff your salad and all the fixings in with a little drizzle of something. A nice, great meal to have. It's nice and quick. I always say, like, if you have like a sandwich or a wrap, like, it just doesn't seem as laborious to eat a salad if you could just stuff it all in there and have it with whatever and just kind of enjoy it that way. Old-fashioned rolled oats. I'm going to be making a lot of recipes like healthy energy bites. I was getting low on nutritional yeast, so I stocked up 2 bags of those, $3.49. Again, like, Trader Joe's has good prices, so this is better than a lot of stuff that you can get at other places. I was hungry, which is a bad time to go shopping. These are freeze-dried mangoes. They're so delicious. They're like just a sweet little something. Really fun. These I hadn't seen before, so I think they're new. It wasn't in the new fall item section, but these are organic coconut crunchy clusters with pumpkin, sunflower, and chia seeds. I think these would be good to sprinkle on top of a smoothie bowl or yogurt bowl. This does have organic coconut, organic cane sugar, rice syrup, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and organic chia. This has 3 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein. Let's try these. Oh, they smell really good. Oh, wow. Oh, they look really good. I mean, just wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, highly recommend these. I got a Go Macro bar. Again, these are sort of the Hail Marys. They were not on my list at all. Salted caramel chocolate chips macro bar. These have 10 grams of protein and chocolate chips in there. I mean, it's like a glorified candy bar, but you can pretend that it's healthy, right? I had to stock up on a lot of chocolate because 'tis the season to be making healthier desserts, and so things for Halloween and all kinds of stuff. So I've just got a lot of recipes and things I want to make with chocolate. So I got 2 more 3-packs of their 72% cacao chocolate bars. And what I'm going to make is, and hopefully it'll come out good. And if it comes out good, I will film it and post it. The Dubai chocolate bar has been going viral for years. It's been a big thing. That it only has like 4 ingredients. So one of them is pistachio cream, and it's hard to find pistachio cream, and it's especially hard to find vegan pistachio cream. It's kind of like a Nutella, but with pistachios. So it's not just a pistachio butter. One of the things I'm going to test and see if it works is making a pistachio butter with these. And then instead of something like sweetened condensed milk or something like that, I'm going to see if this will work. And this is maple butter. This is a new item at Trader Joe's, new for the fall. It's just maple. It's made from maple syrup, no butter in it at all. So it's vegan, and it's so creamy and delicious. And I'm thinking that these two combined together will create that pistachio cream that you need for the Dubai chocolate bar. This just came on my radar again because Billie Eilish just posted making the Dubai chocolate bar vegan version. And so that's a newly trending thing. Cornflakes. Yeah, so I'm going to test out, do some different things with like chocolatey cornflake type things. So we're going to have a little bonus, little sidecar shopping haul, if you will. Picked up just a couple things from Whole Foods, so I'm going to share those with you as well. From Whole Foods, I got these rice puffs. These are just puffed organic rice. This is good for the healthier kind of chocolate things that I'll be making. The other thing I got from Whole Foods, green apples. Trader Joe's doesn't have organic green apples. Whole Foods always has organic green apples, and I like to buy the apples organic because they're on the Dirty Dozen list. So I have these, and I'm going to make some caramel apples with a date paste or date caramel situation. And so I'll be sharing that too. And let me know what you're planning to make for the fall season, and if there are any things that you'd like to see me make here and recipes or things like that, just let me know in the comments and I will see you there. I got a nice haul for the first fall of the haul, the first fall haul, the first the first haul of the fall.